Hey guys, my name is Eileen and I'm the marketing and brand manager here at Brick Street Farms. Today you might notice we are not in the farm, we're in my kitchen. Not only am I the marketing and brand manager here on the farm, I'm also a master food preserver. I come from a long line of women who grew up in the Appalachian Mountains who knew how to garden, farm, and preserve their own foods. Today I'm not going to teach you how to preserve anything, but I am going to teach you how to use all those little scraps that end up at the bottom of everyone's fridge. So, you're probably thinking, what's a kitchen sink salad? A kitchen sink salad should never be planned in advance. What you do is you go into your fridge and all of that produce that might be getting ready to go bad or you needed for that special recipe last week and now you don't know what to do with it, you take it, you chop it up, and you throw it in your kitchen sink salad. In my fridge, I found a half bag of sugar snap peas, some super sad onion bits and heirloom tomatoes, 2 lonesome zooks. Now everyone should have a watermelon radish in their fridge. Vegan mozzarella from my homies, butter lettuce from Brick Street, some fresh dill. I did treat myself to a salad topping, and I want to make croutons with this local sourdough bread. So first I'm going to cube the sourdough, and I want to toss it with olive oil and sea salt. And then you're going to bake it at 400 for 12 minutes. While I'm waiting on those croutons to bake, I'm going to show y'all how to make this homemade vinaigrette. This is a showstopper. Between this and Brick Street lettuce, of course, it doesn't matter what you put on your salad, it's gonna taste good. So I have a pro tip when using herbs like this. I think a lot of people are scared to eat these stems, but they're completely edible. So I just kind of bunch my herbs all together like this, and then I use some kitchen shears, and I just kind of shear the herbs down into the dressing. Yes, the croutons are done. Next, we're gonna build the salad. Rough chop your lettuce by hand and add all the chopped vegetables and toppings. Top with a generous amount of dressing and toss. Lastly, we're going to add our salad toppers and croutons, and voila, the kitchen sink salad. I might just eat this whole bowl by myself. Now it's your turn to make a kitchen sink salad. Tag us so I can see all your cool creations.